Yeah, there's a huge drop in the Chicago PMI. Very unexpected. Huge drop. Not putting the doom and gloom on here, telling you the fact. And at the end of the world, it's still over 50%. But it dropped from, I think it was 62.6 to 52.6. They expected it to go up slightly to 63. So that was the biggest drop since October 2008. As far as dropping 10 points in that fast. And it's also the lowest it's been since June 2013. So that's brought down the markets. Now, I don't have Karnak the magician, crystal ball here, but I do know the basics as far as what if this happens, what if that happens, what if this happens. If the markets all come down because of something like that, where they're showing, an event where the manufacturing isn't looking good and there's a slowdown, well, gold and oil and silver go down along with the markets. If there's a catastrophic problem with, say, the outlook of the U.S. dollar, and they reassign what, the forecast for the U.S. dollar, or they say they downgrade the debt or something, in that case, you'll see gold go up, oil go down, and the general equities go down. If you see a situation where there's this big unexpected catastrophic problem with conflict in Ukraine or in, Iraq or something, then you'll see oil go up, gold go up, then probably silver will follow, and you'll see the markets go down. But if the markets just go down because of bad economic news, which brings down gold and silver, and, that's what's going on. Now, I don't know, what the heck the next move is going to be on the crystal ball here, because, I'm surprised that, something hasn't happened already in the Middle East. I thought Netanyahu was going to do something already. I think he's like, he's like Pitbull Prime Minister over there. He's ready to, I'm thinking he's going to do something. So if that happened, gold and silver go way up, and oil and all that other stuff. Oh, and by the way, since I think oil is going to go up eventually, sometime we're going to see a super spike in oil. That's actually what's going to make your metals go way the hell up. I'm going to actually, I got so many projects going right now. I'm like, ugh. But I'm going to actually get a quality HHO, hydroxy, Brown's gas, hydrogen, oxygen, whatever the hell you call that junk, for my little Suzuki Samurai video, and I put the Toyota carburetor on, and unrelated videos to this financial stuff. I like doing that stuff, and see what kind of gas mileage I get. So you might be interested in that. I'm curious as all hell, to tell you the truth, because I've been looking back on some of these YouTube videos about experimental cars. The one from Smokey Unic. That was out. They still got that car. It exists. The Shell Oil Company bought it up or something. Now it's in the private hands. It's getting like 50-something miles to the gallon at 200 horsepower out of a little engine, and it was really low on emissions and stuff. I was like, whatever. Unrelated subject, but I figured I'd throw that here as a tangent, as far as, that's the way around things. You got to improvise. But anyway, wow. So, they expected it to go up to 63. It expected to go up a hair, and here it drops 10 points. A 10-point drop on the PMI is huge. That's what was going on during the middle of the financial crisis. It was like, you see it going like, and it goes, so that's taking the markets down. To tell you the truth, I think those Chicago PMI numbers are rigged, to tell you the truth. I really do. That's just me. Maybe it's not just me. But, I remember I was pointing out on different things on earlier videos about the prostitution hooker index, the gambling index, and the garbage index, about, how much stuff, how much garbage is being on train loads of cars. They do the waste management, hauls, train loads of garbage and stuff. If that's way down, that means the economy's down, right? If the prostitution and gambling index is down, that means the economy is down. So those things were going down while while the PMI was going up at times. Because I don't know. I think the Obama administration and I think the Chicago Mafia owns the Obama administration. So they own the Chicago PMI. So I don't know about the Chicago Mafia. You got to go with the New York Mafia. Go with the real ones. Anyway, over now. Just gonna state this because now that's telling you why the markets are going down, why the oil went down, why gold went down, and it's 101 economics. I can't predict it though. That's a damn thing. Somebody up there knows, and they're not on YouTube. I know. Like, if this happens, that, I already stated it. If the markets go down to a slowdown, if there's a slowdown in the economy, it'll bring the markets down, it'll bring oil down, it'll bring gold down, silver down, and oil down, everything, right? If there's a big blow up in the Middle East, major conflict, oil's going to go up. Markets may go down. Gold will go up. If there's a devaluing of the dollar, say through Moody's or something, or they change the outlook, markets will go down, oil will go down, and gold will go up. So there's like different scenarios, what if scenarios. Those are like basic 101 things that will happen that way, basically. I don't know how to predict them, And it ain't the star charts. If it was the star charts, I'd be out there with a telescope looking up there at the stars. It's looking at Jupiter and Neptune and Venus and trying to figure out what's going to happen. But I know that don't work either. Some people think it does. I know it don't. But the powers that be, I think, believe in that, so I kind of obliquely look at that. So in my last video, I mentioned about the 4 blood moons. I don't know. I think September 2015 is going to be in the middle of the next financial crisis. I don't know. It's just like a normal cycle. I'm not telling you it's the end of the world. I'm just saying, what happens with economies? They go up, they go down. They go up, they go down, right? Cycles, right? I'm not telling you it's like the end of the world, okay? But anyway, over and out. So that's why the markets tumbled. Chicago PMI said the numbers went down 10 points. Huge drop. The worst drop. Not the lowest point since June 2013, but the biggest drop since October 2008, which is around, the middle of the financial crisis. 2008. I guess the exact middle of the financial crisis would have been September 29th, 2008. Yeah, last one. 7-year cycle, 2015, I don't know. I'm not telling you the end of the world is coming up. And if gas gets expensive, maybe I'm going to have a way to make the HHO gas and throw it in there with the gas and burn it up more efficiently. I think that stuff works by not adding fuel, but by making the existing fuel burn better and cleaner. And you get more power to the existing fuel. It doesn't really work by violating any laws of physics. But anyway, that's a separate subject. Just figured I'd alert you. I'm probably going to do something on that next month or so. I got too many projects as it is. Anyway, over and out.